Hey guys, it's Chuck from Brady Adventures. Hello, apparently you want a jalapeno popper. When we got this fridge, ARB was doing a promotion where you got a transit case for free, and these are usually, I think, around $125, and they usually look like this kind of navy blue color. But this particular promotion, it's like a topo map with just ARB embedded, and it has a sort of green, flat, dark earth color. I was really excited about it. I thought it looked pretty cool. And now we're gonna install it on this thing. And, oh look, instructions. So here's the piece for the top. It's got this nice Mylar. Well, there's the metal tab that's on the instructions. Okay, I'm gonna feel under here and see that foot in the right spot. This has some little Velcro tabs that will stick on the side of your fridge. It's good to have bacon wrapped, cream cheese filled jalapenos while you are installing your fridge transit case. You might want to have a couple beers in your fridge to cool the heat from these bad boys. These metal tags just slide back into this recess, and it's got a little dimple on it to make it a tight fit. Alright, metal tabs in. Apply these Velcro tabs. Pull this as tight as I can. Of course it is Velcro, so it can be repositioned slightly as needed. You can see down here on this side too, we've got a little kind of map pocket kind of deal. Some of these L hooks in the front, so I'm going to pull this nice and tight and put those in the front, just like I did in the back. Alright, nice and tight. So for the lid, look, Velcro all around and a drawstring. And then there's this kind of clear plastic. I think that's just going to hold the front edge of the door. Excuse me. What are you doing? I'm going to slide this in like that. This clear plastic. Look, Bernard. Look. That covers the corner right there. Does it smell good? And leaves an opening there for your latch. Pull it as tight as you can. And then get these Velcro guys on there. You gotta pull it quite a bit to get it right up to the edge, and I'm thinking that's where it's trying to be. Hold on pretty good. It's all coming together. Got a little ridge right here. We can't wait to let you know how this thing works for us. We're gonna be testing it out here in the near future. And in the next couple weeks, you should see our videos actually getting our fridge slide and this fridge installed in the back of the cruiser. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.